Spaghetti, chili, takes about 5 minutes. It really is super delicious one, very spicy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started on this one. Heat's on, above medium heat. I've got olive oil in there. Now don't be shy with the olive oil. Well, unless you want to be. Listen, we've got some dried chilies there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or chili flakes if you wanted. To that, we're going to add a cup of onion. Some garlic, maybe 2 teaspoons there. 3 minutes, keep it moving. This is very easy, this one. Lovely stuff. Let's get some salt. Let's get some black pepper. A couple of pinches there. We're going to go for some fresh chili. I've got these red fresh chilies. Left the seeds in. Take them out if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. I mean, you can be adjusting this, but it's all about the chili here. Then 1 cup tomato. Fresh. In that goes. If you want a few black olives, could be good. You could be adding some dried oregano or oregano now if you wanted. I'm keeping it just like this. We're going to go for 4 to 5 minutes. I want to cook those tomatoes down. Really fabulous. Let's grab our pasta. I'm using spaghetti. About 3 cups worth there of cooked spaghetti. We're going to go for 4 more minutes. Stir frying this around. You've done it. It's so easy. It's delicious. Hot, spicy, easy, delicious. Wah, 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 wee, wah. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.